Ka Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, but ka Brahmaputra Crackers and Polymer Limited, haringkat ka jingkershan ka Sorkar Jala Meghalaya, kalapenlong ka jinga kendulang hapring ka kenhun ki Sorkar, banyak keren halo ka jingtemu, ban kentiu ya ka jingpenmi ya ki karkhana shna plastik, hakathan cetei lamingi. Ya kani ka jingalang, lapenlong da Usurajit K. Chowdhury, Secretary Union Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, haringkat ka jingran lang ki nongmikmat na ka Ministry of MSME, Ministry of Donor, Director General of CIPET, MD of BCPL, but FICCI, Kabalalong Apollo Towers, Shillong. Nakalang Ubiswajit Chakraborty, Head FICCI Northeast, habakran halor ki karkhana penmi plastik ulong, baka jingdawa kayo kahat kalaki hodo 10% na kamtagi plastik kat kum ka CAGR kabayanu jor ba usna mublalen, markani ka pen'i baka de ka way na gila kelenti ban aikam ajam yagi babon. La itu uru baka sorkar kemiling baka gas cracker project kalamang hado 10 klur tingka na kamtagat hanse telamingi, badya kani ka song pisa an sa pentrikam na ubnai banwan, haka baka jala Meghalaya kan yo bentalem. Yakni ka project en penyat aga Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited kabahaban penmi arspa 4,000 ton per annum ka polyethylene, ban 100,000 ton per annum ka polypropylene.
The consumption of plastic, what we call petrochemicals, per capita consumption all over India is around 8.759 kg per head, whereas in Northeast is only 3.75 kg. When you compare our national average consumption compared to China, it is almost 1/4 of the China's consumption. And when you compare the consumption levels to Europe and America, it is not even 1/10. And not even 1/10 of the national of the international consumption at national level here. You are consuming almost 1/3. So you please understand what is the gap in consumption in Northeast. So that is to say, there is a huge gap which can be filled by the local process industry. This point should be very clear to everybody.
After hearing various speakers, we have become more enlightened. And from our side, we would like to say that from the state government and particularly Department of Commerce and Industries, we will extend whatever support possible for setting up, and we would like to encourage entrepreneurs for setting up.